guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick, tidy organization video for what is underneath my sink. So we're gonna be clearing everything out. I have a bin to organize it, some like contact paper to kind of be underneath it and everything, and we're gonna get this thing organized. So come clean with me and tackle that job with me, or let me know in the comments down below what you're doing during this video. So the first thing I'm doing is clearing out everything that is underneath this kitchen sink and kind of sorting it from cleaning products that need to go back in, and then just extra cleaning products that I kind of threw in there that really could just go in my linen closet and cleaning closet. So I am just clearing everything out to get it all ready.
There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do.
I'm using this fantastic disinfectant spray to clean the surface before putting on my contact paper.
When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
So this back part with all of like the pumps and cutouts and stuff for the pipes, I had to kind of Jenga my way through it or Tetris my way through it. So I am trying to kind of get as close to the back as I can, but giving those pipes and stuff space. So you'll see me kind of maneuver the contact paper and try and find the best way to put it on. And then I'll do a new layer on the front to kind of blend everything together.
About what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Now that the paper is on, I am just taking one of these bins I got from Target, and I am just putting all of my cleaning supplies in there. This is like my granite cleaner, my stainless steel cleaner, all-purpose, extra sponges, things like that. I'm also going to go ahead and combine a couple of these things. Stainless steel cleaner, I had extra, like a little bit in one, so I just kind of combined that. We're now going not the method anymore, and then it's the same for like the rinse and dry, things like that.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me and organize with me. I think it looks a whole lot better now, especially with that contact paper and the bin. I'm really excited for the changes. I do have like some cleaning products down here I'm gonna go bring up to the linen closet. There's just extra cleaning products I don't need in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go and put those away, throw away the extra bottles that I kind of merged the cleaners together, things like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my videos here on YouTube, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.